is his skin suddenly turning red and itchy? What's going on? Is it allergies or infection?
Great question, because a red rash can mean two very different medical stories. The clue is important. One is an allergy, where the immune system reacts too strongly to something harmless. The other is an infection, where germs irritate the skin. Today we will follow the patterns, the timing, and the clues to figure out which one is causing the redness and how to spot the difference quickly.
So, what does that actually mean?
It means that the skin can get red, swollen, or itchy for two main reasons. The cause matters. Allergies cause the immune system to release chemicals that create a fast reaction. Infections use germs, like bacteria or viruses, to irritate the skin over time. For kids, the simple version is this. Allergies come fast, infections come slower, and the clues help you tell them apart.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, because the body communicates through tiny signals. Nothing happens randomly. Allergies release histamine, causing itching, swelling, and redness. Infections create inflammation as the immune system fights off germs. Both reactions send signals to the brain through nerve endings. That is why rashes feel itchy or warm. Small steps, like staying away from triggers or cleaning skin early, can change how strong the reaction becomes.
How does this show up in real life?
Allergies usually show quick itching, sudden redness, and happen after touching something like grass, food, or pets. The timing is fast. Infections look different. They show spreading redness, warmth, and sometimes tiny blisters. They grow more slowly. Triggers include allergens, germs, friction, or insect bites. Things that help allergies include washing the skin and avoiding triggers. Infections improve with cleaning, rest, and time. Thinking like a detective helps you separate histamine reactions from germ-related problems.
So, small equals big?
Exactly, because small habits create big outcomes. The little choices add up. Skipping hand washing can let germs spread fast. Touching your face after petting animals can trigger allergies. It starts small. It is like a spark turning into a fire. The earlier you catch the first clue, the easier it is to stop irritation from getting worse.
So, how do I start?
Start with 3 simple steps. Clear and calm. First, clean the skin to remove germs or allergens. Second, cool the area with water or a clean cloth to calm histamine signals. Third, avoid the trigger by noticing what touched your skin earlier. These steps support the immune system, reduce inflammation, and help the skin settle down safely.
What should we do today?
Your challenge is to notice one thing that touches your skin today. Be curious. Maybe a pet, a plant, soap, or sports gear. Every clue matters. Then comment the word trigger to show your detective work. And subscribe if you want to keep building your medical superpowers. Your skin is a smart protective shield, and rashes are one of its loudest messages. When you learn the difference between allergy and infection, you start thinking like a real medical detective. Small observations today build big safety skills for tomorrow. Keep watching your clues, and keep growing stronger in health science.
See you in the next episode.